Hey guys, it's Amazing World. If you watched my last videos, then I'm sure that you know I changed my YouTube channel name. If you want my next video to be about why I changed my YouTube channel name, then be sure to comment below. Also, if you think that I should make other videos, or if you have other video suggestions, then again be sure to comment below. To be honest, I didn't make this up because hey, I'm not a scientist or something. I will tell you where I got this idea from at the end of the video, so be sure to watch till the end. And it's all about 10 strange and mind-blowing facts about nature. And no doubt about it, nature is an amazing thing and can never be described. But there are some facts about nature that are completely mind-blowing. And here are 10. Number 1 is there are 12 times more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Scientists estimate that between 200 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy, while there are an estimated 1 trillion trees on Earth. Counting stars seems like an impossible task. So, counting trees, it's much worse. Number 2 is there was a time when 4 distinct human species lived at the same time. After carefully studying hominin fossils found in Kenya, Ethiopia, and Chad, German scientists have concluded that 4 distinct human species coexisted at the same time about 3 million years ago. What isn't known is how or if they were related and whether they interact with each other. The third one is cows kill more people than sharks. Hard to believe, but true. Sharks kill an average of 5 people per year, while cows kill an average of 22 people per year. In fact, humans are more deadly to sharks than they are to humans. Humans kill about 100 million sharks per year. The fourth one is it's unlikely that anyone could die in a quicksand. You know all those movies and TV shows where someone very dramatically gets swallowed up by quicksand? It's just that dramatic, but not true. This is because most quicksand is only few inches deep. If someone die in quicksand, it usually occurs in tidal basins. The person gets stuck, then drowns when the tide comes in. The fifth one is you can fit all of the planets in the Milky Way between the Earth and the Moon with a little space left over. I'll show you the photograph that they shown when they fit the planets all between the Moon and the Earth, and here it is. This is the photograph. And the sixth one is lobsters don't die of old age. There are some disagreement on this fact, and it's kind of all boils down to semantics. The explanation is long and very scientifically technical, so I'll let this explain it. Number 7 is there was a time when there was no bacteria that would decompose a tree. The trees that existed 300 million years ago do not resemble the trees we have on Earth now. These trees could grow extremely tall, but they had very shallow root systems, so fell over very easily. At the time, no microbes existed that could decompose these trees. So as they fall, they stack up upon each other, eventually creating what one could consider a blessing or a curse. Call number 8 is pineapples take 2 years to grow. Remember that the next time you buy a lovely pineapple and then let it go to waste. If planted from a sucker, a pineapple will take about 18 months to bloom, but if you plant the top of the pineapple, it will take 2 to produce a bloom. Number 9 is about 1 million people die every year from mosquito bites. That adds up to 2,700 per day or 100 every hour. How? Malaria is the cause of most death. Mosquitoes carry the virus that causes malaria. When they bite a human, the virus is transferred from the human, who then contracts the disease. A child dies every 30 seconds from malaria. Let's dissect the moment